So looseness of skin after liposuction depends on many different factors. One factor has to do with the patient's age. We know that as we get a little bit older, our skin has less elasticity. So if we lose significant amount of weight, or if we have liposuction where you're essentially now depleting the fat pockets underneath the skin, sometimes that skin doesn't have the ability to tense itself up and to basically contract and become nice and smooth and remains a little bit flaccid. We do know that with liposuction, some degree of contracture happens just from the manipulation of the skin, but that effect very much depends on the characteristic of the skin. So one of them is age. One of them is essentially the overall patient's weight. People who are usually have more weight on them, who are overweight or obese, their skin is more relaxed and stretched. So when they lose a lot of weight or we do liposuction, that skin has a little bit more tendency to basically stay loose. The other thing are comorbidities. Patients who have hormone derangements like hypothyroidism, diabetes, or metabolic disorders, those patients may also have problems with tensioning their skin afterwards. Overall, for anybody who's over 30 years of age, when they have any type of liposuction procedure, we'd like to offer them possibility of having a skin tensioning procedure, notably jplasma, where we use radio frequency energy to allow additional tightening of the skin following the liposuction. Obviously, this procedure is not a perfect procedure. If it were, we would never be doing facelifts or breast lifts or tummy tuck. We would just do liposuction and jplasma. But it is a good complement to liposuction for somebody who doesn't need necessarily an excisional procedure where we're going and trying to remove skin and fat. Many times when we do liposuction in the back, for example, in combination with tummy tuck, we don't want to have a loose skin in the lower back or upper back. And many times jplasma combined with liposuction is a good option for us not to have to do any skin removal from the back and to create a nice form and contour to the body.